Okay, Andy. Good morning, everyone. Online students, can you hear my voice? So the last class I stopped by stack anyway. Right. So I made a statement yesterday. Stack and queue, you cannot see in the real time directly. They're part of algorithmic design. I said one statement to you. Yesterday, the stack operations came. This is stack operations. So for us, predefined and readily available to us. Now, Q. Make a statement. Q organizes elements based on the algorithm first in, first out, or last in, last out. First in, first out, or last in, last out. First in, first out, or last in, last out. Q organizes elements based on the algorithm first in, first out, or last in, last out. So here, java.util.q. This is Q. Add is there. Even here peak is there. We can display the last element anyway. So majorly add and remove. So major methods are add and remove. Anyway, this Q will have priority queue actually. Priority queue. See that? There is one priority queue anyway. Now, here also add is there, remove is there. No. But the priority queue comes from abstract queue. Actually, abstract queue. Same. Here one add is there, remove is there. If you want element, clear, add all. Majorly add and remove anyway. So now Q means abstract queue. We write priority queue. Priority queue is the implementation class of queue. We write implementation class of queue. This priority queue organizes elements based on elements priority. First, I'll write the program on queue like this. Example program. Right, like this. I'll take the operation of queue. Demo queue, I will take it. Import java.util scanner s is equal to new scanner of system.in try of s end of try with resource. Here I am writing while. Yesterday somebody asked how that switch case is repeating. I written the switch case inside the loop. Any disturbance occurs, it occurs internally. Dot print. Here we had Q. Some integer Q is equal to new priority Q. I will take it. Can I take this form? Can I take it? Yes or no? Now this is child and this is parent. You can take it. Now here, actually, this one must be outside, not inside the loop, because only once the object is created, no? Right. Now system.out.println, here choice is there. Choice. Now system.out.println, here one for add and two for remove. Now What are the methods available in the queue? They only will come. Add, remove. Here peak is there, no? Peak. Right? Peak is there. Okay, right. Peak means we can display the last element. So, poll one concept is there generally. This polling means election polling. Who get more votes? He'll be winner or not now. In the queue also, priority will be depending upon poll. Actually. If more number of people request that element, it can be removed. That's called polling. But the design not possible in console. Console means here not possible. That is server code. Queue means server. Tomcat server. Your Tomcat server internal design is queue. Queue and priority queue. Tomcat server will be written by one engineer, no? Server programmers, they are. We are server users. We download Tomcat, we use it. Some engineers will write servers. Tomcat server, JBoss server. Some engineers are working in companies. They are writing servers and giving to you. That server programs are very strong in queues. And they are very strong in multi-thread. That people. When you have more graph in threading, you will move to server writers. So server writing is the greatest task actually because it is holding your web application now. We are web application developer. We deploy into Tomcat. But somebody is writing Tomcat now. Right. He is using queue actually. Why queue means when the request come to Tomcat server, it has to hold the request time and keep in the queue. In that order only they'll go. Who comes first? Who goes last? That kind of work your server can do. So their queues are used actually. What we are learning, behavior of queue, how it works. Understood this discipline? Yesterday also stack behavior. First in, last out. Behavior we worked. And some important methods related to stack. That's all. Here also, queue behavior, two important methods. Add in the last, remove from first. That is working or not, we are cross-checking. Not only behavior of queue we are designing now. If I want to stop it, of course. If I want to stop it here. 3 is exit to stop the loop. Now system.out.println enter the choice. Enter the choice. Int choice is equal to s dot next int. Switch off choice. End of switch. Case 1 break. Case 2 break. Case 3 exit. System.out.println queue operation stopped. Queue operation stopped. Here system dot exit of 0. Terminate the program. Default. Default means system dot out dot println invalid choice. Now, whenever you selected this one, add it. How will add it now? Sir, q dot add of new integer of 12. Not 12. Yes dot next int. Now you can display. Always displays toString method. ToString method, if you don't use also, answer will come. right? So Q dot toString. Now run it. Add. Where is that? Okay. I forget it. Exit. Here, enter directly written message. System dot out dot print ln. Enter the element. Right. Okay. Suppose I want to remove it. Right. Q dot now whenever you want to do remove operation, elements must be there. Yes or no? Right. You have to cross check whether it is empty or not. Sir, here empty method not there, no sir. Empty method not available. How you will check it, sir? In a stack yesterday, empty method is there. If empty method not available with you, your parent will have. Who is your parent now? Sir, collection is my parent. Here already collection link is there or not now? Go and check in collection. Is empty. One method will be there. Can you see? If a child cannot give to you, parent will give to you. Is empty. Through that you can do. Is empty. You can do it. So here I am using a method. Sir, if Q dot is empty, if it is true, you can say system dot out dot print ln Q is empty. EMPTY. Q is empty. If not, you can delete. Q dot remove. Q dot remove. After removing displayed, system dot out dot print ln. You remove it. Q dot toast. Now see, I am running the program now. I'll remove the element. You cannot remove the element directly. Q is empty. Answer are getting or not now? Right. Now add the element. Sir 12. Add the element. Sir 13. Add the element. Sir 14. Now first element is 12. Last element is 14. So remove means what now? Sir, first in, first out. Reverse to stack. Stack means last in, first out. Now who came first now? 12 came first. So remove. 12 should go actually. 12 gone or not now? That's called Q operation. Especially where Q is used in real time generally. So in real time, queues are in the servers actually. In real time, design is like this. Sir, I know Tomcat server. I know Tomcat server. This Tomcat server is from Apache organization, company name. Right? This is from R&D of Apache. Tomcat server is the latest version 10 now. Tomcat 10. Now you people will do what now? Sir, I will develop one application. Using Servlet, JDBC, JSP, Spring, Hibernate. I'll use all these components and I'll develop application. To run this application, we deploy here. We deploy into Tomcat server. That is a rule. So finally, our application is deployed into Tomcat server for execution. That's a concept. Now, our users from web browsers they are. Our users are from web browsers. Now the users will be interacting with our application available in the Tomcat. That's a concept. Not only Tomcat, some server. Companies will use their own servers. No. Companies will use their own servers. Suppose normally Tomcat is available in education sector. Means what? In your graduation study, training institutes, you can see Tomcat. So Tomcat is the minimum. You must update in your resume also. I know web server, Tomcat. So minimum. So minimum is Tomcat, like Oracle. Oracle minimum no. Everybody should know Oracle. Minimum that is. Minimum Oracle, minimum HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Minimum. These are the minimum courses. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, minimum. Oracle, one database minimum. One Tomcat minimum. This is server. This is database. This is UI. You must know one IDE. IDE means working environment. I will not type the programs on notepads. I know one IDE. At least Eclipse is the minimum. If you know NetBeans, if you know IntelliJ, very good. They trained from your web service trainer, right? One IDE. With that language, you must know the language or not know. At least one language. Sir, I know C, I know C++, I know Python, I know that. Don't keep these two together. Two are both parallels. Right? So here we keep any one language. Generally C is common known to all today. C is common. Sir, I don't know all these means you can keep Java, core Java, advanced Java, you can keep it. Understood now? Then frameworks, web service like this. Your resume will be filled or not? Tools, DevOps or DevSecOps. Some tools you must keep it now. What are used in your project, you must keep it. At least 2-3 tools. That is a way of filling. Means you are giving information to market. I know IDs, I know servers, I know database, I know UI. This is the meaning you are giving to the company. I had some knowledge on these components, but I am a Java developer especially, but I have hands. So what is minimum now? Tomcat is minimum now. If I know more than that, you keep it. I know Tomcat, I know JBoss, I know WebSphere. WebSphere is IBM. WebSphere is an IBM product. So IBM will not use your Tomcats. IBM will use their own. IBM has its own server, WebSphere. Database, DB2. They will not use Oracle. They use DB2. So they had their own database. They had their own servers, IBM. So they had their own products because IBM has their own products. But Oracle products are popular. Like Samsung mobile phone, Oracle is popular. So n number of mobile phones will be there. Among that, one phone will be in the market. The same way, n number of products will be there. Among that, some products will be popular. So IBM has its own products. Like this, your server is deployed with application. What this server must do? First, the request will come to the server. The request will come to the server. It has to take the request time. Which user requested first? It has to detect it. And it has to keep the requests in one location. That location is queue. That queue is priority queue. That is queue. And the queue is priority queue. Priority queue means you came first, you stand here. You came second, you stand here. You go first because you came first. No priority. That's called priority based queue organization. They are available in the servers. Basic operations are two only. One is add, one is remove. Add is a predefined method. Remove is a predefined method. Add will add in the last. Remove will remove from the first. If I say add here, it adds in the last. It is adding in the last or not now? Automatically it is adding in the last only. If I say remove, automatically removes from the first only because algorithm is running now. So we are not constructing algorithm. Q component already available to you. Yesterday stack, today Q and its behavior. All of you got it now. Q has its own implementation, means in real time. How you are implementing Q now? Implementation in real time. We are implementing Q in the form of priority queue. In the form of priority queue. That's called implementation. In real-time market, we implement queue in the form of priority queue. That's the knowledge. So if I want to stop it, exit. So two programs to you. Yesterday, one stack operation, one queue operation. Queue has one implementation, that is priority queue. In real-time, priority queue is used part of your server designs. So theory. Now, this queue has one extension. Right. Here, demo queue dot Java. This is. Look here. The queue has one extension. That extension is DQ. DQ means double-ended queue. Double-ended queue means you can do operations on both ends. You can add on both ends. You can remove from both ends. That operation we call it as a DQ, double-ended queue. Make it FAQ. Define DQ. Define DQ. DQ is an interface extended from queue. Extended from queue and which is double-ended queue. Which is double-ended queue. Double-ended queue. In which the operations are performed on both ends. 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 Sir, what is the meaning of this? You can remove on both ends. You can add on both ends. We can remove on both ends. We can add on both ends. Like this. Now, DQ has two implementations. The following are the implementation classes of DQ. Implementation classes of DQ. One, array DQ. One more is linked list. One more is linked list. One is array DQ. One is linked list. Sir, already linked list comes under list actually. Linked list comes under list. So linked list has two features, DQ feature and list feature. Array DQ means elements in sequence. Elements in sequence. Linked list means elements in non-sequence. That only difference. Right. So DQ generally, sir, DQ, double-ended Q. We had DQ. So DQ, add first, add last, remove first, remove last, normal remove, normal add. Normal remove is there, normal add is there. Add first, add last, remove first, remove last. So we can remove from last, we can remove from first anyway. Array DQ demo DQ import java.util scanner s is equal to new scanner of system.in end of try with source. Here dq integer sum d is equal to new. I will take array dq. I'll take array dq. While of true, end of loop, try e dot print stack trace. Here system dot out dot println choice. Now system dot out dot println one for add, two for remove, normal remove, three for add first, four for remove first, add first, add last, remove first, remove last, and /n7 exit. Add, remove, add first, add last, remove first, remove last, and exit. System.out.println. Enter the choice. Int choice is equal to s dot next. Switch off choice, almost 7 cases. End of switch. Case 1 break. Case 2 break. Case 3 break. Case 4 break. Case 5 break. Case 6 break. Case 7 break. Default. Here case 7 is exit, no? Anyway. System.out.println invalid choice. So case 7 is system.out.println DQ operation stopped always. Here we write system dot exit. Now case 1 means add it. Right. System dot out dot println. Println. Enter the element. Now here DQ, no, D dot add of new integer of s dot next int. Adding. So display it now. So system dot out dot println. Here D dot toString. This is add. Remove. Anyway, if you want to remove, D dot is empty. Same. Else. So here you can say system dot out dot println DQ is empty. DQ is empty. 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 If it is not empty, you can add it. D dot add of. Sorry. We must remove it. No. D dot remove. After removal, you can display system dot out dot println D dot toString. First it is working or not. Where is that add? Okay, add. So remove. DQ is empty, you cannot remove. Add 12, add 13, add 14, add 15. Now 12, 13, 14, 15. First the DQ is a queue actually. DQ is a queue. Whenever I say remove, the 12 is removed. 12 is removed or not now? First it is a queue operation. It also supports DQ. Means you can add first, you can add last, you can remove first, That 4 operations are extra. That's the concept. So anyway, I'll exit. I'll type the remaining. Somewhere. Now. Case 3. Case 3 means add first. Nothing is there. Add first. Now. Enter the element system dot out dot println. Enter the element. Enter the element. So where you should enter now? dq dot add first of new integer of s dot next int. I am adding the element to the first. Actually, in Java, they are all built-in methods. If you go to C trainer, what they will do? They'll write all these methods manually. C with data structure is very hard. The reason, 100% manual code, no? 100%. There is no predefined code. When you come to our area, all are readily available, no? We are not doing anything. Just we know where is the method is available, bringing and using. Because data structure means, I said no, structure means keeping the data in a proper format where we can search the element more efficiently and fastly or with less execution time. That concept we call it as data structure. Generally. For us, it will be very easy for us because readily available. It will add it directly. Nothing is there. System dot out dot println. Here d dot to string. The same way. Add last. Add last. Same query, Fourth one is add last. Here, instead of first, we had add last. All gone. Add last. See there, add first, add last, whether they are working or not. Now 1. Of course, only 1 is there, no? You can add it. So anyway, add first some elements, you add it. Now, 12, 13, 14 is there. I am selecting add first 3. Add first, I enter 11. 11 should come before 12. Came or not now? Right? I am using add last 4. Add last. I am entering 15 now. 15 should come after 14 or not now? Coming or not now? So you can add on both ends. DQ means double ended. Both are ends, both are startings. That is known as double ended Q. But internal flavor is Q flavor only. It's a concept. Now let us do remove. Let us do remove operation. Remove. Case 5. Case 5 is remove. Remove first. Whenever you want to remove, always you have to check that empty or not. Is empty. That is empty method is given by your parent. Collection is giving. Now, system dot out dot println dq is empty. dq is empty. Here you have to remove from last first. Remove first, fifth one. Remove first. dq dot remove first. We are removing from the first. After remove, system dot out dot println d dot to string. The same way, the same logic available for remove last. Here, remove last. So these are the methods already available. Now let me run this program completely. Okay, right. Add 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now add first, third one, add first. And whenever I want to add first now, I'm taking 11. Before 12, it will come. Add last. I'm using 17 came. Working now? Right. Now remove first. 11 is removed. Observe or not now? Now remove last. 6. 17 removed. Remove first. Remove last. Remove first. Remove last. Coming to ending or not now? Remove first. Remove from last. Q is empty. It's working and coming or not now, right? So this is called DQ. All of understood Q and DQ? All of understood? Speak in the interview. Application, some other area. First you have to speak in the interview for core Java first. What is Q? What is DQ? What is set? What is list? For the first phase. You must have a clarity and speak about them. Enough. If you cross that layer, no, then application easy only. Why application easy means if you know minimum flavor, you can see the syntax and apply. Okay, right. So this is related to your DQ. So same program, array DQ replace with linked list, it will work. Yes or no? Just remove that array DQ and write linked list and write it. Because linked list, array DQ difference is this is sequence, that is non-sequence. Array list, linked list. Here array DQ, wherever the word array is there, sequence. Wherever the word linked list is there, non-sequence. That only. Operations will be same. Okay, right. So this is the program of demo dq.java. I'll attach this program here. Now look here. Right. Sir, this is collection. So these three are not used. Above blue color is there, no? Iterator for each special iterator. Anyway, special iterator nodes are given in array, but remaining two are not given. So that is pending. Okay, right. Now you know set, you know list, you know queue. The same thing I drawn here. You draw here. Now you know, sir, I know stack also. This is stack, no? Color not stack. Here I written comments also. So stack means what now? Sir, stack is running on algorithm first in, last out, or last in, first out. You will say LIFO, no? Right. Last in, first out algorithm. Okay, right. Now see there. What is Q now? Sir, Q means first in, first out. Yes or no? Q means first in, first out. Now, array DQ means what now? Sir, sequence. Sorry. A double ended Q. Sir, this is double ended Q. Now priority queue means what now? Elements on priority. Some priority will be there. Elements on priority. Working with elements on priority. Array DQ means sequence. The elements will be in sequence. Now if you see DQ, I drawn one arrow here. Linked list I drawn or not now? That arrow. So this is the collection. Now you know the serializable now? Yes or no? Na? I called one Sunday for serializable now. Yes or no? So all that objects are serializable objects. Because I linked it. Clonable, I not given definition, you have to wait it. Last. Clonable definition last. Okay, right. So all that objects are serializable. Means what? All that objects can be moved on the network. So all these objects can be moved on the network. Knowing that structure is a collection framework. All have understood this point now, right? So one more will come, utility class. That is one. So first basic information is this one. Now, iterator is holding three methods. That only iterative statements I not explained. Iterator, new iterator, special iterator, for each, enumeration. So 4 or 5 separately, I'll write one code to you. Separate. They are all iterative statements or cursor statements. Iterative statements or cursor statements. We write them separately. First, you got the clarity about the collection framework. What it contains, what they are. You have to read once. Okay, right. Now, this collection has one limitation. Make it limitation of collection. Limitation of collection. Today, I'll add this diagram once again because comments are available on each. That black color comments I given on each. That comments you have to remember for the interview. Or see that diagram and you frame your own sentences. What set, what queue, what list, what array list. You frame yourself by your own, prepare it and keep it. If anybody asks, say the same component. Now, limitation. Limitation means, see there. We are web application developers like this. Web application developers. Our web application running in server. Our application interacts with the users. Right? The users will make some request. We have to fulfill that request by giving some response. In that process, our application interacts with the database. From the database, the data will come out. When the data is coming out of your database, the database data will have primary key. All your database tables will have one primary key. The primary key is playing one crucial role to you already. Right now, if I use collection cannot differentiate primary key, non-primary key. Separately, it cannot differentiate. That is the drawback of your collection. To overcome that, they introduced one new concept known as a map. The last one. Make it. In the process of holding database table data. In the process of holding database table data. In the process of holding database table data, collection cannot differentiate primary key and non-primary key values. In the process of holding database table data, collection cannot differentiate primary key and non-primary key values. Note. This limitation can be overcome using map. This limitation can be overcome using map. Using map. So there is one more interface known as map. Make it. Define map. Star mark IMP. Define map. Map is an interface from java.util package. Map is an interface from java.util package and which organizes elements in the form of key value pairs. Map is an interface from java.util package and which organizes elements in the form of key value pairs. Key value pairs. Here K means key only. K stands for key. According to database, it is primary key. V stands for value. According to database, this is non-primary key values. Now, map has its own implementation. The following are the implementation classes of map. The following are the implementation classes of map. Hash map, linked hash map, tree map, hash table. They are the four implementations of map. Of map. Now, Based on this four, first hierarchy, how they are available. Hierarchy of map. Hierarchy of map. One map. Anyway, one map. So map is one interface. Java.util. Map has some implementations. Hash map, linked hash map, hash table, hash map. Hash map is a class. Linked hash map. Here hash table. Implements, sorry, correct only, implements. Now, here sorted map. Sorted map. Here navigable map. This is interface and this is interface. Extends and extends. Here tree map. Tree map. This is class. Here implements. Now, here to here extends is there. Extends. Same. Here serializable. Serializable. So why I'm showing serializable means it can travel on the network. So serializable will come from IO. Java.io. Clonable means backup. Clonable means backup. Clonable, one interface. Java.lang. So all these objects are clonable. They're all clonable. Of course, it is implements total. Here, one more dictionary. Dictionary K comma V. The dictionary is one abstract class. Comes from java.util. This dictionary is linked to hash map. So this is hierarchy. Hierarchy means how it is available. Okay, right. Now, let me show there java.util.map. This is map. Is empty, size, put. Some methods are there anyway. So hash map. Hash map. So hash map is a class linked to clonable, serializable, and map. Implements from map, clonable, serializable. Linked hash map. Linked hash map. Linked hash map extends from hash map and implements from map. That will I drawn. Hash table. Hash table. Hash table map is clonable is there. It is extended from dictionary. Right? Let us open that dictionary. Dictionary. Dictionary is abstract class. So like this, the hierarchy is available. So in this hierarchy, here down, you write the points. Right. Under this hierarchy, you write the points. Hash table is synchronized class and remaining classes are non-synchronized classes. Non-synchronized classes. Hash table is synchronized, remaining all non-synchronized. Hash table and hash map organizes elements without any order. Without any order. Hash table, hash map will not have any order. Linked hash map organizes elements in insertion order. Elements in insertion order. Tree map organizes elements automatically in ascending order based on key. Ascending order based on key. Ascending order based on key. Okay, right. Now, one example program. Demo map.java. Right. I'll organize book code, book name. Two fields I will take it. Book code, book name. Book code is primary key and book name is value. Right, like this. Now, I will take demo map. Import java.util. Scanner S is equal to new scanner of system dot try of end of try with resource. Now, anyway, inside this, try catch. Here we take map holding string object and one more string object. Book ID, book name. My intention, M is equal to null. I am asking the choice, which one you want. Here, the choice. Among that map, what you want. So system.out.println, you had 4 choices. 1 for hash map, 2 for linked hash map, and 3 for tree map. I'm taking the option 4 for hash table. I'm taking hash table, and 5 I will take it. No need of exit. Just we are selecting the choice of object creation for map. Now system.out.println, enter the user choice. Enter the choice. Now int choice is equal to s dot next int. So switch off some choice. Now end of switch. I had 4 options here. Case 1. Case 2. Case 3. Case 4. If you select invalid, we have to terminate the program. Now system.out.println, invalid choice I'm using. Now system.exit of 0. If it is case 1, I am taking the object of hash map. String and linked hash map, and this is tree map. And where is the other one? Here, hash table. After the choice has been selected, and based on the choice, the object is created for hash map or linked hash map or tree map or hash table. Then how many elements you are trying to add it? So here, system.out.println, enter the number of elements. Here, int n is equal to integer dot parseInt s dot next line, because numeric and string based combination is coming, integer dot parseInt. Now, here run one loop here. Int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. end of loop. Here, system.out.println, enter the book code. I'm entering the book code. String book code is equal to s dot next line. I am reading the book code. Here I am reading some book name. I am reading. Here I'll add it. M dot, we had a method known as put book code. Means this is adding to map. This is adding to map object. To map object. We are adding for map object. It's called put. Once adding has been completed, you can display the details, the complete book details. You can display the book details. Now, for this m dot, for each I am using p comma q. I am using lambda expression here for each. System dot out dot println p dash q. Anyway, let me run it once. Run this. I am selecting hash map. Enter the number of elements, sum 3. Enter the book code A121. Book name, sum C language. Book code A123. Book name from core Java. Book code 3 no A100. So C++. So book details are coming. Roughly I took only 2 fields for easiness, right? Among this, one is key and one is value. I'll explain that anyway. Suppose if we take tree map, automatically ascending order will come based on the key. I'll explain that to you. Just I'm presenting one code form for typing, because type that code and run once and read the notes and come. So I'll explain this program once again to you. Okay, right? To save the time, I written this code to you. Okay, right? So run this. So run this code and come and read the notes of map and come. Let us conclude that map on Monday. Okay, right? So the class is on Monday. Okay, right? Take a break. Thank you very much for today. I'll explain this code on Monday to you.